Hello everybody, this is a Year 1 maths lesson on bar models. On the home learning page there are some follow-up activities for this video for you to have a go at. So let's just remind ourselves what a bar model is. So it's a bit like a part-part whole model in that you have two parts that you can add together to make a whole. So on this one, 80 add 7 equals 87. Remember that usually when we're looking at bar models in Year 1, you will find the greatest number at the top, and it's these two parts that are added together to make the whole, because the greatest number is always the whole. So let's have a little look at this one together. So straight away I look at the top and I can see that the greatest number is 56, and that must be the whole. And then the two parts are 50 add 6. 50 add 6 equals 56. Part equals whole. So it's a little bit like a part whole model, but this is called a bar model because it's in bars. Now sometimes you might see them looking a bit more like this. The only difference is that the biggest number down here in the parts, so the greatest number is still at the top, but the biggest number at the bottom has a bigger bar than the smaller number in the two parts. It's a little bit confusing, but as long as you remember that the greatest number is always the whole, and you'll find that at the top, then these two parts add together to make the whole. So 34 add 7 equals 41, and 34 has got a slightly bigger bar because it's a bigger number than 7, but 41 is the greatest number, so we find it at the top. Now there is an extra challenge today, and you will also find this on the home learning page of the school website. There are some worded problems all about bar models. So remember, when you're looking at worded problems, you need to make sure that you have the relevant information, the information that is important for your number sentences and your part whole models or your bar models. It's always important to look for the important information first. So we're going to read the whole thing together. So this says, Lisa owns a coffee shop. She sells 15 cups in the morning and 5 cups in the afternoon. How many does she sell in total? And it says, use a bar model to show your answer. So what you have to do for this one is, the important information is that she sells 15 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon, and we want to know how many there are in total, and we need to use a bar model to show our answer. So if I turn over, I've got a bar model ready made. So we don't know the total number yet because we haven't worked it out, but we do know that she sold 15 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon. Now this is your chance to work out what 15 add 5 equals to make the whole at the top. You can use a number line to do that. You could use counters, you could use your fingers, you could put the biggest number in your head first and then add on the 5, whichever way works best for you. And when you've done it, you should get the answer 20. So I have shown the worded problem on a bar model. Okay, so if you go on the home learning page, there are lots of different bar model resources for you to have a go at. Good luck everybody, speak to you again soon. Bye for now.